Hello my lovers, it's Farmer Giles here again, down in Father's Cowshed in Plymouth, Devon, working for toysforcars.co.uk. Today I'm going to show you how to fit a set of Thule K-Summit snow chains to a vehicle. The vehicle we're using is a Mercedes CLK. Now it's a rear wheel drive vehicle, so we fit the snow chains to the rear. Take the snow chains out of the case. On certain tyre sizes you will need to remove 1 to 3 of these bars, depending on different tyre sizes. Once this is done, take the chains and pass them onto the tyre, like so. Make sure the flat pieces of the chain are actually sat on the actual tread of the tyre, like so. Take the nut that goes into the middle and place that on the vehicle's bolt, wheel nut or bolt, whatever's there. Tighten that up. With the spanner supplied, you need to make it nice and tight, because this is what connects the snow chain to the actual wheel. Like so. Take a ratchet system and do it out. As it gets tighter and tighter, there's a red line in the fabric of the strap. When you see that red line, like so, that means it's done up tight enough. Now you will see that the chain is not underneath the tyre. The next step is to drive the vehicle 10 metres down the road. The chain will adjust itself onto the actual tyre, which then means the completion of the fitting of the snow chains. Now to remove the snow chains, take the ratchet system and pull the red lever all the way back, and the chain will spring out, like so. Pull through the strap to make it loose, undo the bolt that's attached to the wheel, like so. Take the chains off of the tyre. That is how to fit and remove a Thule K-Summit snow chain. I'm Farmer Giles, this is toysforcars.co.uk.